Hello, and thanks for joining the Modern Apps Ninja 101 course. My name is Art Fuel. I'm a Senior Technical Product Manager at the Modern Applications Business Unit in VMware. And as you saw in the welcome video, we're excited to participate with the community together in a learning community as we all work together to move from traditional ways that we've deployed IT in the past towards being able to fully take advantage of of modern applications, cloud-native applications, cloud and self-service based infrastructure, highly automated processes. Really, it's like a whole new way of doing IT in many ways, and we know that as IT industry transitions towards this, it's not a simple or overnight transition. It's really, I think, can only be done through a community effort. And so we hope with the program to provide a lot of community assets, and in some cases you'll see short courses that introduce products. But I think the other side of the program, I hope it can address some of the. There's always a delta. There's always a difference between I went and took a course and now I have to go do something in a production environment. And in particular, I think at times with major transitions, you're often put in this position where I have to go learn a new technology, and I can do that in a learning environment with an instructor right there, and I have a nice demo lab environment, and maybe it has very good, very realistic exercises, but I don't have to worry about breaking things. And then when I go back to try to apply that in my production environment, I have additional, I have those concerns about, hey, this is production, I have to be careful, I have to make sure I know exactly what to do in this new technology, which oftentimes you've never used before in a production context. You have to think about how it applies to your organizational processes. And so the other side of the community involves more interactive exercises. I said the Google groups and Slack channel that we have to be able to interact both with, we have a number of participants across a whole different array of different functions and roles within VMware, our partner community, our customer community, and hope that we can work together towards these goals. And then we have a whole aspect of the community where we're working to incorporate within courses and within projects that we do with the community for the Modern Apps Ninja community itself. We host production Kubernetes clusters with production applications. We have resources, so if members of the community learn something and want to share their knowledge with other members of the community, we have resources available to help make that as easy as possible, and to make sure if someone wants to share their knowledge with the community, that we have good channels to make sure that it's easy to get that information out, and really to work together as a community. So thank you again for taking this course. As we proceed through the course in the next video, we'll talk a little bit about the history of the program, where it came from. We've actually been doing the PKS Ninja program, which Modern Apps Ninja is an evolution of. And we've had a number of hackathons and community exercises, and significant, really a very interactive, very participative community. So starting off with looking at that history, see where we've come from, I think that helps to paint the vision of where we hope to go. And after that, we'll take a little bit deeper look at our Ninja learning platform here. We'll take a brief look into the GitHub organization, and then review how we can sign up and participate in our Google group and Slack organization. So thanks again for joining the course. I look forward to working with you more in the community on our community's journey towards successful adoption and really mastery of the modern applications. Thanks again.